In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to set your take profit and your stop loss on the Bybit app, and I'll be focusing mainly on the futures trading page. So I'll take you through how to take a futures trade because I'll be taking a trade in this video. Then from there, I'll go on and set my take profit and my stop loss for that same trade in this video. And that's not all, because I'll also be showing you guys how to set a fixed take profit and a partial take profit. So if you're the type of person that is looking for which one is better for you to set, whether a fixed take profit or a partial take profit, then make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. In case you're just joining us for the first time, please make sure you like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel so the channel can grow and you don't miss out on any other crypto updates that I might be dropping soon. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive in. So guys, currently this is the inner interface of the Bybit app. Here, this is the Bybit homepage. To get to the futures trading page, all you have to do is to come over here to the bottom side, and over here where you see the trade section, you click on it. So you'll be brought to this page, and then you come over here to futures. Because of his futures trading, we're going to be indulging in this video. It's on futures already, and then once you click on it, it will be showing you the various information and details about the current selected trading pair here. If you want to take a trade, the next thing you have to do is to come over here where you have the BTC to USDT pair over here. You click on the drop down arrow beside it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you can select any cryptocurrency pair that it is you want to trade. So this is where you select the crypto that you want to trade. So if, for example, you want to trade the ETH to USDT, the Ethereum to USDT pair over here, you can click on it over here. And currently, as of the time I did the video, is about $3,000. But for this current video, guys, I'm going to be using the BTC pair to be explaining this process for you. So I'm going to be clicking on the BTC pair right now. So guys, after you've selected the crypto pair that you want to trade, the next thing you have to do is select the margin mode you want to use. So over here where you have the isolated right here, if you click on this drop down arrow, you'll be seeing the options of margin mode you can select from, where you have the isolated margin mode, the cross margin mode, the portfolio. So guys, I don't want to be making this video too long. I won't be explaining the differences between these margin modes in this current video, but I actually have a dedicated video that explain each and every one of these margin mode and which one is recommended for you to use. So I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description section, so please check the video out. So guys, for this video I'll be picking on the isolated margin mode because of that's what I always recommend for crypto beginners to use. So I'll be clicking on isolated right there, and then after you've chosen the margin mode you want to use, the next thing you have to do is select the leverage that you want to be using for this process. So over here at the right side where you have this 10x over here, you can click on the drop down arrow, and then you'll be brought to this page where you'll be seeing how you can select your leverage from 1x to as high as 100x leverage. So you can select your leverage right there. So in case you still don't know what leverage is all about, I also have a dedicated video for that will teach you how to use leverage to make more profits on your trade. The link to that video will also be on the description section below. Sorry that I'm skipping a lot of things, guys. I don't want this particular video to be too long. I want to go straight to the point and show you how to set your take profit and your stop loss. So again, in case you don't know what leverage is all about, I have a dedicated video for that. It will teach you how to make more profits for yourself. Check out the video. I'll be dropping the link on the description section below. So for this video, I'll be picking on the 10x leverage to use and indulge in this process. So once you've picked your leverage, the next thing you have to do is to come over here and select on your order type. So over here where you have the market, if you click on this drop down arrow over here, you'll be seeing the multiple options of order type at which you can select on. There's the limit order, there's the market order, there's the conditional order, the chase limit order, the scaled order, TWAP, and iceberg. But the two most common order type and the two most used order type are the limit order type and the market order type. Now the limit order type means that maybe you want to enter the trade at a lesser price than the current price. So you can see that currently the price of BTC is at a rate of $89,300. So let's say, for example, you don't want to enter the trade right now. Maybe you want it to come down to $88,000 before you enter the trade. That is when you use this limit order type. So for limit order type, it allows you to set the price at which you want to enter the trade. I hope you understand. But for market order type, it means that you want to enter the trade immediately. You want to enter the trade at the current market price. The entering at this price right here, this $89,300 is what the price will be entering the trade. I hope you understand that. So that's the difference between these two order type. Guys, for this video I'm going to be using the market order type to indulge in this process. So I'll be selecting the market order type because I want to enter the trade immediately and show you guys how to set your take profit and your stop loss. Guys, the next thing after selecting your order type is to enter your order value, which is your cost or the amount that you want to use for the trade multiplied by your leverage. That's simply what you entered here. Let's say, for example, I want to use an amount of $500 for this trade. So for a lot of beginners, they just come over here and then enter $500 here, which is actually wrong. What you're supposed to enter here is the amount you want to use multiplied by your leverage. That's the amount you'll be entering here. For example, you'll be entering $500 that you want to use multiplied by the 10x leverage, which is $5,000. 500 times 10x is 5,000. So you'll be entering 5,000 right here. And then over here where you have costs, as you can see costs right here. Over here at cost, you have $497, which is approximately $500. So this $497 is the actual amount that will be removed from your wallet for this trade. I hope you understand. So they'll be removing $497 from my wallet for this trade. I hope you understand. Since I'm using $5,000 and I entered the 10x leverage, that's why I inputted $5,000 over here at this side. Now to the main thing, which is how do you set your take profits and your stop loss. Now you can either set your take profit and stop loss before you enter the trade or after you enter the trade. If you want to set it before you enter the trade, all you have to do is to come over here to this box right here where you have the TP/SL, which actually means take profit / stop loss. Click on the box right there and then you come here and you put in your take profit and your stop loss. You can see right now that currently I'm entering the trade at a rate of $89,500. So if, for example, I want to set my take profits at $95,000, I'll just enter $95,000 over here. Now it will show you the amount that you'll be making below. As you can see over here, estimated P&L is $301, and as you can see, your ROI, which is your return on investment, is 61.28%. That means that you're going to be making about 61% profit, and that's about $301 in USDT. It will be showing you the exact amount that you'll be making and your percentage. Now for the stop loss, let's say for my stop loss, I decide to put $86,000 as my stop loss. And as you can see, it will be showing you that your estimated P&L is minus $195, and then your return on investment will be decreasing to minus 39%. So in summary, what this actually means is that if it gets your take profit right here, you'll be making 60% profit. And then if unfortunately it should go against you and it gets to your stop loss, you'll be making minus 39% loss. Once you're okay with that and you have input all the necessary things you need for the trade, just come over here to where you have this long or short and then you put it. So as for me, with the take profit and the stop loss that I inputted over here, I'm going to be taking a long trade. Obviously, as you know, because of my take profit is higher than the entry price. That means I'm predicting that the price is going up. So longing means that you are predicting that the price of the market is going up. So I'll just click on long right there. And then once you have clicked on it, you'll be seeing the trade under position right here. If you click on position, this is where you can see your trade right here. You can be able to monitor the trade. Then if you come over here to this side where you have orders, you'll be able to see your take profit and your stop loss. As you can see, my take profit is $95,000 and my stop loss is $86,000. So that's how you can set your take profit and your stop loss before you enter the trade. So in case you don't know or you are just coming across my video for the first time, there's a lot of opportunities on how you can make money online on the Bybit app. Whenever I found those opportunities, I always drop them on my YouTube channel. So if my videos are helpful, you could subscribe to my channel so you can get updated whenever I drop my videos. So smash on the like button if you find my videos helpful. So guys, now let's say for example you want to set it after you've entered the trade. You just come over here and you click on cancel. Then you cancel the trade right there. Then if you come back over here to the position side, you still be seeing your trade because of you've entered the trade already. Let's now say you want to set your take profit and your stop loss after the trade is running already. Just come over here to this side where you have set TP/SL. Here at the trade side, so you just click on it at the set TP/SL. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page right here where you'll be seeing two options. You have the entire position and the partial position. Now if you should click on entire position, it means that you want to enter a fixed take profit price and a fixed stop loss price. You come over here to where you have the partial position side. It means that you want to put a partial position take profit. So it means that you want to take your take profits multiple times. That's just the meaning. Start by explaining the entire position further. So if you come over here to the entire position side, over here at this side, you just come over here and enter the price at which you want to take your profits. So for take profit, let's say I still want to use the same price. Let me be fixing in $95,000 over here for my take profit. So that will still be 60% profit. And then let's say for my stop loss, I'll be setting a price of $84,000 right here. Let me just say $84,000. And so that will be about 56% loss. Just for example, once you've entered it, just click at confirm at the bottom, and then just like that, you've set your take profit and your stop loss. It is as simple as that. Now let me still cancel this again, and then let me explain the partial take profits. So for the partial take profit again, you come here where you have the TP/SL, then you click on it, then you still come over here to where you have partial position. So once you click on the partial position, the next thing you have to do is come over here to where you have the quantity. When you are going for the partial position take profit plan, the first thing you have to do is to divide your capital by the number of take profit levels you want to take for the partial position. Because in the partial position take profits, you are able to set multiple take profit levels. If, for example, you want to take 2 take profit levels, you divide your capital into 2. If you want to take 3 take profit levels, you divide your take profits into 3. I'll be telling you why very soon. Just follow me through. Let's assume that I want to divide my capital into 3. So all you have to do is to take 100% divide by 3. So if you drag this level bar to 100%, it means that you want to sell everything, all your capital. You just divide it into 3. That's if you want to take the 3 take profit levels, and then 100% divided by 3. That should be 33%. So just take this to 33%. This 33% right here, and then this is the amount of BTC that you'll be using. So they will automatically help you to convert your BTC into the appropriate percent. This is for beginners, and I don't want to confuse you guys a lot, so I won't be really talking about how they are going to convert it to the BTC. So we divided this into 3 because we are planning to take 3 take profit levels. If we were planning to take 2 take profit levels, we would have just divided into 2, and then we would have dragged this level bar to 50%. That's just setting 2 take profit level, but we're taking 3, so that was the reason why we divided it into 3 places. Once you've done that, come back here to where you want to set your first take profit, and then let's say for my first take profit, I want to set it at a price of $92,000. So I'll just fix in $92,000, right? And that means that I'll be making 26% profit at that point. That's 26% profit of 33% of my capital. And over here, as you can see, that will be about $71 profit. That's going to be from the first take profit level, just from the first take profit level. Once you set it, just click on confirm right there, and as you can see, this is the profit you've just set. Then if you want to set another one, you just come over here and then you click on add. Now for the second take profit, you do 100% divided by 3 again. You see, drag this level bar to 33% again. So this is for the second take profit now. So for the second take profit price, since we went for $92,000 for the first take profit, let's go for $95,000. Just fixing $95,000. For the second take profit level, you'll be making about $102 profits from this level. That's for the second take profit level. So once you've seen that, just click at confirm at the bottom again, and then just like that, you have set your second take profit level. You'll be having 2 take profit level at this side, and then for the third one, you still click on add again. Now for your third level, once you are setting the toolbar side, you should set it at 34%, and I'll be telling you why. Once you are taking your multiple take profit levels at the partial position side, all the total percentage of the capital you are using for all of them together combined should be equal to 100%. So now you remember that the first take profit level we set for the partial position as of this one was at 33%, and so as the second one was also at 33%. And if you add 33% plus 33%, that's about 66%. And then in order to complete that 66% to 100%, you will add 34% to it. That was going to make it 100%. So for the third take profit level, we'll be making this percentage to be at a level of 34%. So that's the logic behind it. This is how you do it once you are using the Bybit app to indulge in this. Everything must be equals to 100. I hope you understand. So I say you should divide 100% into the number of take profits you want to take. I'm setting 3. 100 divided by 3 is 33%. You are setting 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50%. If it was 2 take profit level, the first one would have been 50%, and then the second one would have been 50%, and the both of them combined together would have still be 100%. Hope you understand. Once you've set this third one to 34, you can then come over here and then you set the price at which you want to sell for the third take profit level. Let's say for the third take profit level, we want to set this at the price of $98,000. If you set it at the price of $98,000, you are going to be getting a total profit back of $102. You'll be making up to $100 at your final take profit level. So once you've set that, you just click on confirm right here. You can see that you set 3 different take profit levels right here. If it gets to your first take profit level, you'll be making about 26% profits. And then if it gets to your second take profit level, luckily, you'll be making about 59% profit. And if it still goes to your favor and it gets to your third take profit level, you should be making about 93% profit at that side. I hope you've seen it. That's how you can be setting multiple take profit level. If you want to set multiple take profit level, this is how you can do it at the Bybit app for futures trading. It is as simple and as straightforward as that. If you want to see the trades or you want to see the orders, you come over here to where you have orders and you'll be seeing the different orders right here. At the 3 different take profit levels right here. First take profit level at the price of $92,000. Second one at the price of $95,000 and the third one at the price of $98,000. I hope you understand. And then lastly, if you still want to also set your stop loss for the partial take profit position, just come back over here to position and you come over here to still at the TP/SL side. You can come over here to the entire position side. If you want to set it for the entire position, you come over here and then you come to the stop loss side. And let's say probably you want to set it at a price of $86,000. That's about minus 30% for the stop loss. Once you've set it right there, you just click on confirm. Once you've set it, that's your stop loss right there. You have your take profits $92,000, $95,000, $98,000, and then for your stop loss you have it at $86,000. That's about 30% loss. So that's how to set your take profit and your stop loss on Bybit. So guys, that will be all I'll be showing you on my today's video. If you find this video helpful, you can help me and smash up on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching.